Hello, everybody. Today is April 10th, and welcome to my Robinhood Portfolio update. And let's go over the portfolio performance first, and then today I sold about $900 worth of Live One stock. I gotta give you the reason why, and then there were a lot of stuff going on in the market as well. So let's go over it as well. 1 week and down almost 3%. 1 month up 3%. 3 month down up 18%. Year to date up almost 25%. 1 year down 56%, and all time recover a little bit. Now I'm up 220%. Okay, and let's talk about why I sold a little bit of about $1,000. Like, let me show it to you. Sold $900 worth of nine one stock. Basically, the main reason I sold is not that I don't believe in the company anymore. Is that I think the position is too big for a small cap company. So if I don't sold it, I've been like putting $2,500 in. So I would like to just reduce it to probably $500 to $1,000. So it still have like very I give the CEO some credit because like when I was down like 65 to 70%, and right now I'm only down like 23%. I think that's the only stock that have my portfolio that have recovered this much. So why does the stock went up this much? The reason is because they're going to IPO the podcast one business about $150 million valuation, and the shareholders gotta get a special dividend. So I forgot how much. I think it was like they increased it. At first it was like 6-7%, and then they increased it to 10% or something around that. So you have to double check on the numbers, and that's the main reason why it went up. So right now the market cap is like 120 million, but the podcast one IPO been like 150 million. So that valuation alone is more than the market cap of Live One, and like Live One will probably own like 80% of the business. Still probably will still own 80% after the IPO. So it's like a pretty very good deal right there. So you gotta give the CEO credit. He's still like he still buys stocks up until last year. I think until November last year he's still buying stock. That's why I still kind of like trust the company and don't want to like sell out 100% because it's small cap, and I realized like it's pretty dangerous to put a lot of money on a small cap company. So that's why I reduced the position on that stock. So this morning I was door dashing, so I made like $46 today from door dashing. Okay, and another interesting stock is Tupperware, and it's down like almost 50%. So they sell like food containers, baking tools, and stuff. It's like their product is like very very expensive, but their margin is like extremely high. They got like 60% margin. So, but their operating expense is not extremely high as well as SG&A. So most of their profit goes to SG&A. If they can reduce their workforce, I don't know, like they only produce about $1 billion, but they have like 10,000 workers, more than 10,000 or something. I was looking at the data. I could be wrong, so please double check on that. And yeah, so that's the reason why they are not very profitable, because their SG&A is not very high. And the reason stock price drop a lot because they're not in compliance with the filings with the SEC. So they owe about 700 million in debt, and then the company warns that the debtors can recall their debt and told them to pay up 700 million or something, or pay out everything, so they don't have that kind of money. And as of December 2022, excuse me, they still have like a 100 million and then on cash. So that's basically the story. So you have to listen to their earnings call and find out what's going on with this company. And then Virgin Orbit, so today got a notice they're going to not Virgin Galactic, and going to get delisted. So right now I'm currently down 98%. So I only invested $1 into this company. So going to get delisted. So when they were at 500 million, I don't get why they don't just dilute the shareholder 50% and get raise 250 million. Not really sure why. So Wednesday, LVMH, so owner of LV and another premium brands gonna report earnings. So that's very important data to look at, how is the rich suburbs are doing. And then Friday, the big banks gotta report earnings: Citibank, JP Morgan, BlackRock. So right now, a lot of news going on about the bank failure. I think the news about that have calmed down, and some people don't talk about it anymore. And then national cinemedia went up 133%. The reason it went up that much is because AMC took a 9.1% stake. So that company. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I think they're about to go bankrupt as well. So because the usually market are pretty good at predicting bankruptcies, unless you are really good, spend a lot of time researching about this company, understand and out about this company, and how the economy, how the company is doing. So usually the market is pretty good. When the stock price drop like that, it usually they are predicting a bankruptcy. So that's why. But AMC took a stake, so I gotta have to check out their balance sheet and see what's going on. But they used to pay a dividend very high, but I think they paused the dividend as well. So you have to listen to the earnings call and everything to read their SEC filings to find out what's going on. And then April 12th will be CPI. They'll release the CPI data before the market opens. So it's consumer report. So it's consumer pricing index. So it's measure of inflation. How is your car price, housing price, rent price, food price are doing. Is it going up or down? So that's a very important data. And then another reason why I sold some life bond stock is because I'm about to refinance my house. So I probably need $20,000 for down payment. So I only have $18,000 right now. So I need to keep looking at selling other stocks to raise a little bit more capital. So just give you a heads up that I might be selling other stocks that's profitable, maybe, hopefully. So I sold live one at 250, probably 254 or $270 loss. So that's bad news. Right there. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically everything. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.